So guys, we're going to do our makeup now before we get dressed. So I usually start with moisturizer. Okay, I don't want a very dry face. So little moisturizer. For my moisturizer, I'm using these Neutrogena. I also use this for my skin. It has like a lot of purposes. And then wait, I will pugangan sa akong hair ha. Kaya para dili siya mo lapas-lapas sa tong nawong. And then after that is, of course, I'm using my sunscreen. This one is the Sundance from DM. Napit na siya mahal. So, of course, kay init pa man gyapon there, guys. And even in winter, usahay magkuan gyapon ko mag sunscreen. Kay ang winter here in Germany kay dili siya, it's very cold for an Asian like me. Pero unlike sa mga Scandinavian country, mas tugnaw gid sila dito. like kuan kanang mga Norway, Sweden, Finland, kana sila daw na mga country over ang ilahang snow during winter dito. So wala ra siya kumpara sa kuan sa Germany nga winter. So anyway, after sunscreen, kuan akong sunod, kalimot ko. My hydrating kuan skin tint nga kuan niya. Ay, hydrating man siya. Wait lang guys. Wait. Yeah, primer. I am using my primer. This one is also from DM Concha Alverde Natural Cosmetic primer. Okay. Primer. Humot kayo siya. Dagan mo kayo. Here guys, in DM or Rossmann, I usually buy products. Kaya dagan kasi like mga vitamins or mga pampagwapa that's even like really cheap prices. So I'm so happy or like lucky kay when I went here in Germany dili kay ko kanang bugason, or I've adjusted to the weather. But if you know, before patong mga first time ko niyan hidere, I really had a bad breakout, grabe. During my wedding, I have like really big pimples, good kayo. And then after that, dagan kay ko kaspa, over, good kayo to. But then, I think I adapted na sa ilahang weather, and I've had like a lot of different products nga I think nga mobagay sa ko. So after the primer, I'm using this skin tint. I'm like Marshall kuan kanang unsa tawag na BB cream or whatever you call it. Okay, nice kay siya og kuan, nice kay siya og kanang finish bitaw guys. Like look at that glass skin yarn. So if you know if kanang mas maayo ba mag-makeup, no, dili jud ko kabaw mag-makeup, like kabaw ko sa kong self lang, and kanang bagay-bagay lang kung mobagay ba siya or whatever. Pero kanang ano bitang awat-awaton sa uban, like mga Hollywood star, or like ingon ani dapat ang brush nga gamiton or whatever. No, I'm not that professional when it comes to like makeup. Kuan lang kanang sa mabagay-bagay lang sa ko ang skin. So muna siya guys. Wag kay ko ano kanang eye bags. stress kayo kung nawong do. But anyway, after that, with my skin tint is, I'm using, wait lang, this one from the same brand from my Koan primer. This one is cover stick para sa to ang mga Koan eye bags na to diha. You need to like cover it kay lain kay baga kay tag Koan. So kana lang mga need i-cover. And also after this kana mga need i-cover, I'm using this one contouring kunuhay, but this is just for my nose kay flat kitag ilong and I don't have money para magpaon sa tawag na magpailong. And then I put also here and here, and then we're just gonna use this one, my brush. A brush no, and this is not brush ko ang sa tawag ani, nakalimot na ko do. Sayang guys kay sa kuan sa kanang kadaghan og language there, sometimes maglibog na ko which language I should use. Like usahay pag magstorya mi sa kong mama and nang makalimot na ko unsa gani Bisayaan ng kuan or even Tagalog, samot nag German wag ito sa German. So yeah, binakong bright ko sa una, bugoon magyuday ko. Bugoon nagyuday ko sa una guys. Hello. So anyway, I'm trying to still adapt here guys, but it's very difficult. My 2 years na ko there and I'm still struggling. Siguro because I'm such a weak person when it comes to everything, and it's my first time to like, not really first time, pero to be away from my whole family because sukad yun sa una, I live in the Philippines gyud. So when I left the Philippines, it was really a different kind of feeling nga when will I gonna be back again. And moto siya. Until now, I still hope and praying it would be easier sa mga coming days, weeks, years. Actually, I feel a little different person kumpara to mga first time ko ni Anhi. Like, katong ganhi ko diri, I have like really zero knowledge when it comes to German. Mahadlo ko mo gawas. But then, siguro, I have to kanang face my fears and go out. Moto siya. Medyo naanad naman ko, but then it's still very different. The people here is different. The life I have here is totally different from the life I have in the Philippines. Which is in a good and bad way. I don't think it's a bad way. Okay, I prayed for this. I prayed nga makanhi ko diri sa Germany. I prayed for my husband po, nga my husband to be like a good person. I prayed for everything and I'm very thankful man sad nga I am here. But then, of course, there's a lot of challenges man po nga we don't expect siguro. So yeah, mato siya. And then I'm going to put more foundation or like foundation. I have here 2 foundation guys. One is from Essence. This is the Stay All Day 16 long lasting foundation. And also I have here my Maybelline matte. So I don't know which is better, but wait, I'll show you ha sa iyang coverage sa ko ang skin. Wait. So this one is the Stay All, okay. I'm on it siya, okay. But I will use this other one sa ko ang pikas nga kamot. So yeah. But lang unsay mas bagay. Both man siguro na is mas bagay. This one is smooth siya. This one is also smooth. Ambot lang unsa akong gamiton, but I think I will just gonna use this one kay para mahurot na ni siya. ako ang Stay All Day 16-hour long play foundation. Di man kay ko magagamit og kanang foundation. Talagsar man gyud ko magamit og foundation, guys, kay feeling ako kay kuan kanang puti kayo akong naong if gamit ko og foundation. So gamitin nato siya brush. So ano na siya ang finish. Itong naong. Okay. So, after this one is we're gonna do our kilay. But I don't do a lot of things to make akong kilay, guys, because I have like really thick kilay na. So, what I usually do is, I have like an old mascara. kung ano siya baka ng pahurotay na bitaw siya nga mascara. So, I have this one, the black one, and I just brush this akong kilay. Kay baga na magud kog kilay, guys, and I don't need ganang dili sad kay ko kabaw nga magkilay-kilay kabaw mo na ko'y mga pictures sa una on my university days ka na bitang kuan ka ng college ko nga magkilay-kilay na ko'y pictures sa una nga gabi ka tsaka sa akong kilay, like black kay siya tapos linya, like oh my god, amot na unsa ko atong panahon feeling ko pa nagid kay ko adto sa ko ang kilay, guys, ug buang no. Ano may oras? 9:30. So, ano na siya ang atang kilay. And then, we're gonna use little kuan ka na, ang sa tawag na, eyeshadow. Or kamuton yun na to, ay, mag-brush na na, di ay takay para dili kayo, tsaka, wait lang. So, inani yung kumabutang og eyeshadow, guys. Don't judge me. I usually cover it, like the base one, cover. Right. Here is my eyeshadow, okay? I use this one, the base one. Cover na to na diara. Di ko ba magamit o kuan bitaw mag-makeup. I just think na, okay, bagay na siya. So, done. And then, after that is, we're going to use this one. Muna siya, gamit good kay siya, guys. Kaya I like the color, man good. Kanang, sitaga na, brown siya ba? Sita lang na siyang ikalat. Like, diba? Nice pa siya po. The other side. Well, smoky kunuhay ato ang mata bitaw. Wagid na angay ay. Ito na I really like smoky gamay nga mata bitaw, guys. So man na siya. And then after that is I'm gonna use little of this one. Gani siya more pinkish. Okay, para ma-blend lang nato. Eyes. Chilling. Okay. And then after that kay our highlight. Ang ato siya highlight ay what's the one kilay. Little sayop. Little highlight. And ta-da! So our eyes is done. And then after that is I like to use kuan. Aman ako ang nawala akong eyeliner, guys. Oh yeah. Right. So I'm going to use eyeliner sa top. Taas kung mata, and then another eyeliner para sa ubos. But syempre kurog kay kog kamot. I'm using another kuan, guys, sa kanang sitaga na mirror. Kay kurog gid kay kog kamot manggod. Okay. Okay. So look at the difference if mag-eyeliner ko dili, like here. Okay. Here wala siya eyeliner and here is eyeliner. Like feeling ako kay kuan kanang nice kay tan-awon bitaw if mag-eyeliner. Yeah, usahay pa gyud guys kay dili pa gyud siya kanang pantay bitaw. The other eyes is like pangit siya. Okay, this one is okay now. And then so lower part is I'm using this pencil siya guys, okay? Ayan siya, pencil. Pero sa lower eyes lang natin siya gamiton, okay? Okay. So here I kanang si tawag ana naka-eyeliner on top and lower, and this one is just on top lang. Diba? You see the difference? But anyway, ako buang eh. Okay. Perfect. And now the last one is our mascara. For our mascara, I'm using this one's Essence. This is the Lash Without Limits. So, mag-mascara na ta. Ito sanang ikuan na to. Sanang ipataas daan na to ang pilok. I really like to wear kuan kanang extension, eyelash extension, but uyan mong good ko kay wala na kay time to like do my eyelash extension. Kapoy man day kay maging girl, no? Like, you need to be very pretty, or you need to take care of your face and such things. Compared to be a man, like easy lang kayo. They can just like even mag-take shower lang sila. They have like really good skin, good hair na dayon. Pasuya. And for us women, we need to like buy a lot of different products and this and that. Oh my god. So yeah. So guys, I have here this is bronzing powder. So I will just gonna use it here sa mga kilid-kilid, okay? To make bronze ko no hay ato ang face on top and here on our cheeks. And then of course blush on. I'm using the Catrice blush on. This color is pink. So and then after that is I will use my highlighter. Let's highlight our cheeks, guys. So here is our put na to atang highlighter. A little on our nose. And now we're done. Now we're just gonna use our last one, which is our powder, compact powder. See, don't have wala akong kuan ay, but whatever. So gamay lang na siya tong yan na retouch lang natin na atong powder. And we're almost done. Now we're in the last part, which is our lipstick. Our lipstick, guys, is first is I'm using the lip liner. This is from so many brands. L'Oreal Paris. I think I bought this kay naka-sale siya. sa katong sa DM. Sorry, my good guys, they have like a lot of sale, and maybe if you get lucky, us you try like 50% or whatever. Nice pag siya color, tapos easier kay siya kuan mo to pagsulat nimo kay mo color na din siya. I've tried a lot of other brand man good nga medyo light lang kaayo siya and not so good color siya. So for my lipstick, I'm using this one. It's red. Ta-ding! And then I will also use the lip booster para kuan ka ng unsa tawag ana. Basta dako bitaw tanaw ninyo ang lips. So that's it for face. And lastly, I forgot, I like to put this, by the way guys, this is the illuminating glow. Gamay man siya tang ibutang ay mag-glow sa dato ang skin here. And lastly is this one, our fixing spray. So this is our finished product. Wow, finished product. Inaay na gid niya akong face pag magawas ta and go travel. I'll be traveling with train with my husband today. So let's see how my face will change if after I think 4 or 5 hours of traveling, medyo layo man gud ang mga city to Akon. And now, after everything here, guys, now we'll fix our hair. So, yung tubo na akong hair, guys, ay tsaka na kayo siya kaya I need to like really color yung tubo na siya di. Pero I'm still waiting, medyo mataas pa siya kay kuan ka ng dry gud kay akong hair man good way. Dry gud kay siya sa ngatanan. So, we will just gonna kuan ng kanang unsa tawag ana buhay hay. I'm just thinking buhay hay, but then I think I will just gonna use some of my ribbons here nga mabagay, or I don't know what kind, or how will I do my hair. But I think ano siya kanang inani lang siya ay para simple lang ang ating hair. Wait lang. And then I think I'm gonna use this one. I have a lot of ribbons mangled, which I think is cute. I have this one or the red. I also have another one, kana siya kay small lang. I have for Christmas. Oops, yeah, wait. This one I got as a gift, by the way, sa kong nice. It was not my birthday. It was more on the Santa Nicholas Day here. Katong nag-school ko, I got this as a gift from my classmate. So, what else? More than siya. I have like 3 or 4 of it. Ano pala yung ribbon? And I have like some headbands na dayon. So, which one would really fit? No, this one would be like really Christmassy, and it's not yet Christmas. I think this one is okay, no? Wait. Wait guys, look. Kayo na mag-judge. Kanina no, okay na ba siya? I think that's okay. So, we're done with our hair. Simple lagi akong hair. Kaya kapoy naman good kayo magpa-over-over. Mabungkag gyapon siya. So now we're going for our jewelry. So I think I was just gonna use this small one. This is like a heart. Focus. Come on, focus. Yeah. This is a heart earring. Gamay lang atang earring because kapuyan po ko magdag ko earrings for traveling. I don't know. Siguro it doesn't fit sa ako ang outfit or whatever. So okay, heart, and for my necklace I'm going to wear this one cross necklace. Oopsie. Okay, so dapat di ay magtaod og ikaw ay isa eh. Wait God, di siyang taod. Okay. So guys, ito necklace. So guys, for my outfit, it will gonna be just really simple. I'll just be wearing jeans. So this one, and for my top, this one. So more na siya. And then I'll just be wearing a coat. I think it's a little colder and windy now, especially now it's going to be lower temperature na compared from the last day. So yeah, I'll change now. And guys, for my shoes, I was really thinking of wearing boots like this one. This is my boots, but then I think we'll be walking a lot and probably not the best option to wear little heels because we'll be walking a lot. So now I will be using this one, this pink running shoes or rubber shoes or whatever you call it. This will be very comfy, I think, because we're gonna walk a lot. So yeah. So guys, I guess that's it for this video. I'll make sure na I'll take a lot more videos of my traveling, going there, or about the place. I really hope for that. But daghang salamat sa mga nitanaw o nisuportahan ng video. If you really like this video, please guys, comment down below. Share this video or subscribe to my channel. I would really totally appreciate that, guys. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Salamat and bye!